Canon's EOS R6 Mark II is a fantastic mid-range, full-frame mirrorless camera. And it's an ideal platform to begin serious nature and wildlife photography and video with. The power this camera puts in your hands starts with its fantastic AF system. Animal Detection AF lets the camera identify eyes, faces, and bodies of birds, dogs, cats, horses, and similar animals. Subject tracking lets the AF system continually follow a subject around the frame, even fast-moving subjects like birds in flight. This is backed up by the R6 Mark II's performance. Mechanical shutter gets up to 12 full-res images per second. An electronic shutter gets up to 40 frames per second with well-controlled rolling shutter distortion. This is a camera with the speed and AF technology to really up your game in wildlife photography. And most importantly, image quality holds up, even for critical users. Good tonal range, excellent RAW or JPEG color, and very usable noise levels, even at high ISOs, make the R6 Mark II a great tool to get serious about wildlife imagery.